Introducing the DJI Phantom 3, one of the most iconic drones that opened the skies for creators worldwide. Simple, reliable, built for stunning aerial shots. The Phantom 3 still holds its place as a go-to drone for beginners and budget filmmakers. Control is smooth thanks to DJI's intuitive remote system. With real-time camera view on your smartphone, it gives you full control over framing and flight. The Phantom 3 camera delivers impressive 2.7K standard or 4K professional footage, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal for smooth cinematic shots. I mean, look at these shots. They are so nice. I think it's just good enough for all documentary filmmakers, events videography, and all aspiring content creators. The best side of it is that the DJI Phantom 3 standard is real affordable, between $1,000 to $1,200, and boom, you have it. Is the Phantom 3 still worth it today? Absolutely, if you're looking for affordable, entry-level aerial photography. And that is me and my friend Joshua. If you need our videography services, please let us know in the comment section.